Guys, be very much truthful to your clients, and the victory would be yours. Cordial Hotels and Resorts is not a hotel or resort, but it is a marketing company of hotels and resorts. So, 5 years back, I started this journey with a vision that I'll be marketing couple of hotels from Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh. But later on, it led me to market of different kinds of other products like destination like Bali and Dubai and Maldives. So journey with Cordial Hotels and Resorts brought me to like I right now we are looking for the B2C market rather than B2B, and that's why we have joined couple of groups where it is bit easy to target B2C market than B2B. So I started representing Bali in 2017, and there has been no stopping by then. And later on, I started adding up destinations on and destinations on. So right now we have 6 international destinations as a B2B bucket. Those international destinations are, of course, Bali, but then apart from Bali, we have Maldives, Thailand, New Zealand, Croatia, and Dubai. So again, we don't give anything like we study our clients first, and then only we customize their products. So यहाँ से लिया वहाँ पे दे दिया. This is not what we do. Every client is different client. Everybody has a different interest. We cannot give one kind of itinerary to everyone, and that's where our strength is all about. Many challenges, but few list I would like to say that earlier we used to go for marketing to travel agents around. So certain travel agencies, they never used to open their gates as well. They used to think that we are not fit to them, and some abused us also. But that never stopped me to stop the marketing of the international destinations. Again, yes, regarding the cuisines, what we talk about in abroad, it's not easy for Indian client to go there and have a taste something like which is not Indian cuisines. Jain, we have Jain people a lot in India, and we have lot of Jain people who would like to travel abroad, but हमको चैलेंजेस कैसे फेस करने पड़ते हैं कि दीपक भाई वहाँ पे खाना कैसा मिलेगा, जैन फूड मिलेगा या नहीं, और सुबह को उठ के दे हैव टू सर्वाइव ऑन ब्रेड एंड बटर. आई मस्ट टेल बिकॉज द बुफे इन अब्रॉड इज लाइक इट वुड इंक्लूड all the kind of non-veg, all kind of eggs, and they won't appreciate that. So हमको वैसे भी उनके लिए दूसरे रेस्टोरेंट्स का भी बैकअप प्लान रखना पड़ता है कि if at all client is not having breakfast in the morning, तो उसका पूरा दिन खराब हो जाने वाला है. So we have to search out some of the other hotels or some of the other different options in terms of cuisines and food for them, so that our client is not upset with us. Two particular I would like to points highlight upon is one to the people. Friends, please trust travel agents, offline travel agents. Don't let go on online portals rather than that, because offline travel agents work a lot for you. वो लोग आपके लिए एक एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस जाकर भी हेल्प करेंगे. जो वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज आपको ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स नहीं दे पाएंगे, बट ऑफलाइन ट्रैवल एजेंट्स ज़रूर आपको दे पाएंगे. Second, to the offline travel agents, guys, be very much truthful to your clients. Give the entire knowledge about the destinations what you're sending them, so that वो लोग confused ना हो वहाँ पे जाके किसको क्या कैसे. ये सारे सवाल पहले से ही आप क्लियर कर लो, and the victory would be yours. We are upgrading Cordial Hotels and Resorts to Cordial Vacations. Now a broader picture, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत सारी इंटरनेशनल वेन्यूज़ पे प्री वेडिंग फ़ोटोशूट्स एंड पोस्ट वेडिंग फ़ोटोशूट्स, आई मीन फ़ोटोग्राफी भी करवाएंगे. और वी आर लुकिंग फॉर डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग वेन्यूज़, जिसके साथ हम मतलब वेडिंग प्लानर्स के साथ हम टाई अप करके या फिर उनके साथ हैंड टू हैंड काम करेंगे, सो दैट वो उनको चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़ते हैं, टू whom to trust in terms of suppliers and everyone, we can give them the direct help from here itself. Thank you, Maya. It was pleasure was entirely mine. Thank you so much.